Hey folks, with the all-new Margaritaville Islander comes a slew of onboard packages. Here's a look. The unlimited soda package includes a signature Margaritaville at Sea souvenir cup and unlimited refills of fountain sodas. The ultimate beverage chill includes all beers, wines by the glass, cocktails, and boat drinks up to $20 each, unlimited soda and 500 milliliter bottled water, juices, mocktails, and bottled canned non-alcoholic beverages, plus 25% off the menu price for wine and champagne by the bottle. The sparkling wine brunch includes one sparkling wine brunch experience at the Islander dining room. Select from a menu of seasonal, made-to-order brunch specialties. Note that additional breakfast cocktails are available for purchase separately. The prime dining package includes one dinner at the JWB Steakhouse, a sparkling wine brunch in the Islander dining room, and dinner in the Islander dining room. The ultimate dining chill includes one dinner at the JWB Steakhouse, sparkling wine brunch at the Islander dining room, dinner in the Islander dining room, a $25 credit for a la carte purchases at the Tiki Grill, $25 dining credit for a la carte purchases at the Island Eats, $25 dining credit for a la carte purchases at Farside Sushi. The Islander Signature Chill includes one ultimate beverage chill package, one dinner at the JWB Steakhouse, one sparkling wine brunch at Islander Dining, one $150 credit for the St. Somewhere Spa and Salon, Wi-Fi for one device, express check-in, priority luggage delivery, reserved seating at both production shows at Stars on the Water Theater, shore excursion booking assistance. And the Ultimate Islander Escape includes one ultimate beverage chill package, one ultimate dining chill package, one shore excursion credit up to $200, one $200 credit for the St. Somewhere Spa and Salon, Wi-Fi for one device, express check-in, priority luggage delivery, reserved seating at both production shows at Stars on the Water Theater, shore excursion booking assistance. And folks, there's actually more packages available for the spa and also to get express check-in to get on the ship faster. So folks, when you're ready to book your Margaritaville at Sea experience or any travels out there, just reach out. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.